This is a quick video for the MRA to show some of the improvements that we're working on for the Edit Missions app. In the configuration here, you can see I've allowed for deletion, but because it's quite easy to accidentally delete the wrong record, we made it so that requires confirmation. Another thing we did is we enabled it to allow for geometry editing, or basically moving the points, to be done by default, so you don't have to look for an extra checkbox. There are a lot of different configuration options here, but we're trying to balance ease of use and prevention of mistakes. So you should see this reflected already in the 2017 app. Another improvement we've made is that you can search by place as you would have before using a geocoder, or you can search by mission. So if you're looking for a particular mission, you shouldn't have to search around on the map. You should be able to type it in here and it'll take you right to it. Another trick is you may have noticed you can edit by clicking on the little Smart Editor widget here. But another option that I like to use just to speed things up is whenever you have a pop-up open, you'll see three little dots, and that indicates that there's more options. And now we can open the Smart Editor right from the three little dots, and it just reduces the amount of steps I need if you're doing this repetitively. And now you should be able to edit the attributes. Attributes are the fields that you filled out in the form. So you can fill in any missing information or make some changes as needed. You can edit the geometry by default, so that's that little checkbox. If you don't want to move the point, you can always turn it off just to prevent you from moving it. But when this box is checked, you should be able to see a little hand appear, and you should be able to move it as needed. But it won't save the movement until you go back or hit save. I'm going to go back because I don't want to actually move his point. And I don't want to save the changes I made. And if you want to see that again, another option here at the bottom is if you do need to delete the point, you can click delete, but you should be prompted to make sure that that's what you want to do before completing the deletion. So just some quick improvements we're making to the 2017 app that you should see in the new portal when it's launched. Thanks a lot.